Welcome to Barbados. Today we're going to see where Rihanna lived, where George Washington lived, and explore the capital, Bridgetown. This is the Kensington Oval. It's the cricket stadium in Bridgetown, and it's where the West Indies play a lot of their matches.
You don't even watch cricket?
No, but it's like historic. You can do a guided tour of the Kensington Oval if that's your thing. We wouldn't have known anyone, so we decided against it. This is Rihanna Drive. This is where the most famous Barbadian of all was born and raised. Her house is just up here. There's a lot of people here. I wasn't expecting this many people. But yeah, we couldn't come to Bridgetown and not see Rihanna's house.
There's the gaff now.
Do you reckon anyone lives here now? Or do they just leave it like this?
I don't know.
Does Rihanna still own it and just maintain it so people can get pictures outside it? Some very enterprising Barbadian has turned the house across the street into a bar as well. There's people queuing, and then there's also taxis coming through, knocking down the people queuing. It's nice to see where Rihanna grew up and where she is now. It was. This is Baxter's Road. This is the historic part of Barbados. This is called Periwinkle. It's Market Street. It's full of shops and stuff. It's also raining, by the way, but we're Irish, so we're used to it. I love this. This feels like the real Caribbean. This is National Hero Square. I can see Rihanna already. I don't know who any of these other people are. Let's go find out. I also feel like they've left some of the spaces blank so they can fill them in at a later date when someone wins an Olympic medal or something. This is the Parliament Buildings for the Republic of Barbados, and they have reserved parking for the President of the Senate and the Speaker of the House. There's no cars there though, so they mustn't be here at the moment. Building on this side, across from Parliament, is the Museum of Parliament and National Heroes Gallery, but it's closed at the moment for renovations. You can also just ramble in to the Parliament Buildings area. There's not even much security. This is Independence Square. It's a nice little waterfront park. It's lovely. This is the Independence Arch. There is a bridge there, but it's raised at the moment. This is Brown's Beach. I don't want to tell Dennis how far we've come from the cruise port because he won't be happy. If you're coming to Bridgetown and you're not into history, that looks like a nice beach for you. This is the George Washington house. We were meant to come here before, but it was during COVID and it was closed. So we've been excited about seeing it. What is this? Oh, it's a water mill from 1717. I missed number 1 on the audio guide, so I had to go back. Look, this is a well. Watch a docudrama now in the cinema about George Washington's time here. It's very dark. Kind of reminds me of one of those 4D cinemas in Universal Studios. Dennis, the last, oh, I've wearing my sunglasses, I've just realised. The last time I went to the cinema was to see Avengers or something. It's not as dark now that I've taken off my sunglasses. Is that George?
It was not by the standards of mid-18th century Barbados a great house.
That was interesting. At least now I know why George Washington came. It's a privy. Is a privy like a toilet? Oh. And they had to come out here to have a wee. So their business would have gone down there. I'm not sure I'd enjoy coming out here at night time to do my business. I mean, there could be snakes and everything. I thought that was a snake for a second. going into the house now. Oh, this is lovely. This is the room where George Washington stayed when he was here in Barbados. That bed doesn't look very comfy at all. It doesn't say do not touch, so I wonder could I wear the hat? Dennis will love this. They have a lovely hat. You're allowed to wear it. He's not very happy with me. There was no sign to say do not touch. What's this thing here? Look at it. Can you just... It's like a whippy thing. Dennis is annoyed because I touched the hat and that whippy thing. Oh, is it the swap flies? That whippy thing. Dennis, look. The drinks cabinet. We're on number 6. This must be Lawrence's bedroom. Lawrence was the brother. Basement. Oh, the kitchen is outside too. Right, upstairs now. Dennis rushed ahead, so I don't know where he is. That globe is lovely.
October 20, 1751.
This is about slavery and plantations.
In which colony were slaves treated less harshly? Barbados. Oh, Virginia.
There's coins. That's Lawrence Washington. These costumes say do not touch. I wasn't going to, I just said they say do not touch. The hat downstairs didn't say do not touch. I was wondering why they didn't sleep upstairs, but it didn't have an upstairs when George Washington was here. It was only built on after a hurricane blew the roof off in the 1850s. This was what it looked like in 1804, so it did have a second story. It was just a half a story, you say.
Yes.
And then they added it on. Oh, I'm rubbish at this. There's the 1930s when it was like an office building for an electrical company, and that's when it was restored. Hello. He's just eating the grass there. Hello. No, don't go. Don't go.
It's because it's Rihanna. Don't chase him, Colin.
These are the Garrison tunnels. The man said there were monkeys down here. So I'm actually more afraid that there might be snakes down here. Dennis, do you want to go first actually, please? Oh, Jesus Christ.
I say they stop me that. I say they monitor the tunnels.
This is like, you know when we go to those Halloween attractions? It's a little bit like that. I'm afraid someone's going to jump out and scare the shite out of us.
It's quite snug, isn't it?
No, I feel a little bit cramped.
Claustrophobic.
No, I'm not claustrophobic or such. I just feel a little bit.
It's very warm in here as well. And the man said there was 2 monkeys down here, which I haven't ran into yet, so here's hoping I don't.
The man on the audio guide said that this tunnel is 1,000 kilometres. No, that's wrong. The man on the audio guide said that there's 100 metres of tunnels underneath the Garrison area.
Oh yeah, look, they stretch all the way up there.
Oh, are we at the end now? Oh. I didn't listen to any of the audio guide things. It's only a spider, it's fine. I didn't listen to any of the audio guide things because I didn't want to stop because I thought there might be snakes there. The George Washington house was really interesting. I think more so I just wanted to see like an old plantation house. The Garrison Savannah, which was built for the British troops as a recreation ground, is now the Barbados Turf Club. It's a horse racing track.
Army barracks. We're walking around the horsey track now.
So this is the Barbados Turf Club. You can just ramble in and so go. Just go in and have a look. Just tell them you're just looking. It's just open, you can just ramble in and have a look. Now, I'm sure a night at the races will be lots of fun here in Barbados. Now, if you came to the horse racing in Barbados, you'd need to bring your fan. It'd be very warm. Everyone wants a picture with the Barbados sign. Dennis is back on the ship already. But we had a lovely day in Bridgetown. Bridgetown is a really nice city. I really love it here in Barbados. I've been twice and I will definitely be back.